Menteri Barang Sushimti Banpet Yakatanat Pildi Roads Jangka Sarkar Jela Bak Martin M. Dango Akashitarik Nailor Ulahiar Banit Jurep Yaka Jingkiang Plau Julor Batuano Akapor Pentre Yaka Apam Latar Riboy District Kani ka Jingkiang Kalatwa Ka Janmiet Jang Arp Sauterik Nailar Hakapor Nyoboje Janmiet Kapor Badang Te Slap Hakabau JE Kamahati Subdivision Ba Armstrong Lingdo Ulahap Lang Ringkat Bat Sangut Kinong Tre Kani ka Jingkiang ha katika Janmiet Kalatwa Padham no kadai nakadaw baki dieng kershani kani ka slap kimlong ki baskem padai ka jingle torti patre tangdap nabalayo I lupa pakani ka slap kalahiar naka level jongka kat badang the slap nadu chiteng sngi hakabau JE bodon lang hakate ka jakatre ulapan borbej yakinong tre ban tre bej kiblaya don lang hakate ka sngi ka jingle jurep kilong MLA ka Mawati constituency ba Julius Dorpang ki observe pildi na Mawati subdivision pat umsning division ki rurang ba pat kiwei ba Martin M. Dango ba krench kilat patai kubor ulaong kajingwan jong u ban jurep ikani kajingki kalong ban pej talaki jongki khamat ikor kompentre yaka lapen pa bu un sakhot yak kanhon ban ti benya halor kajing twa kani kajingki pat un sakhot ru ki observe ba dei pej yakani katanat.
I am informed, that's why I came to see what exactly the site and what exactly the what exactly that had happened in. So now I have seen by myself, so I will discuss the matter with my chief engineer and then my engineers. Thereafter, I will call the contractor also. So in what way the matter can be sorted out. I cannot take it as such, but what's the actual fact on that day? What exactly went wrong that I have to assess after the discussion with the contractor.
Habe keren ba Piklam Executive Engineer ka Pirul di Umsning Division ulapin pau pakadon hi ka jing bakla ka jing trei ulong ru pa omla biang panakaliang katrat kan sapa trei biang yakani ka jing kiang
engineer jing bakla sejing ba tetema gilang bri ma ka dong fil sejing mere ka taru kontrol fala biang jing trei kam
fala biang kam ju interfere but kanu ka kam ka benta ba dong ka department ada kiwara ka sulok pa ba ginong kami ka sulok la ka dai nakano ka scheme ngasanya hagi officers ngasanya hagi contractors te lada ka capat aku mengani ka rukom pate kalong kai ka basusi namar kakta mentala daja kan ka jengki ngan suong biang ngomong ngan repeat biang ngan refresh biang kan ni lada ka aku meni lada kan ka jengki ngadep subuh ka dep teh tak hap kumlum tu yap beriu tragic kalong very tragic boleh di raise this matter okay you are right but I haven't raised this matter on the floor of the house. This is my practice. But this time I think I'll go ahead because right from 2013 I have already approached the minister at the time and I have already speak to him that about the importance of this road because this is connected. We share the border with Assam, so we have asked for this and moreover this road is a NEC road. NEC road, and I know the previous executive engineer, Pak Nongrum, has already briefed me about the portion of this road.
Ngir kum gilong kami bari pek lang ay karoy ka par ngidon ke jasokya. Ngidon ke jeng sngo kunduk mensiam lada dan bak balak ki traditional. Nala dei badel ki traditional tip ayu kan jam. Te mismo weekend ban ong ba kum kinang kam jong ka women's wing MCPC mo hati te ngiro ngidon ka jeng sngo halor ka jeng le jong kini contractor be de ka ni ka jeng ki ba ni ka paro ba nakaliang kilong kumi jong ka mo hati area ro ba sarkar kan SNA lam yang inam ta ka jeng sngo pala usuro mo bakin SNA ban yarap len hak be de ka ni ka benta